On the occasion of Teachers' Day, Officers IAS Academy takes immense pride to share the various interests of our teachers.
Our director, Economy Faculty in Officers IAS Academy, not only a teacher, but he is also marathon enthusiast. A former college lecturer, he twice succeeded in the UPSC Civil Service exam, securing IRTS and IAS with All India rank 59. After serving as an IAS officer in West Bengal, he resigned to start Officers IAS Academy, where he now mentors students full-time. He has served on the academic boards of MOP Vaishnav College and Loyola College and is also an association member of Madras Christian College and School. He authored the book, The Secret Ingredients to Crack the UPSC Civil Services Examination.
Mr. R. Rangarajan, IS 2005 batch, All India rank 46. He is also a writer and a marathon enthusiast. He is a chartered accountant and cost accountant by profession. He cleared the civil service exam in his first attempt, securing an All India rank 46. After serving for a few years in the IAS, his passion for teaching brought him to our academy. He is a prolific writer, including authoring books both fiction and academic, with the latest being Polity Simplified for Civil Service Aspirant. Mr. Deepak Sukumar, he teaches public administration in Officers IAS Academy. He is a marathon enthusiast, an IIT graduate. He has over 5 years of experience teaching public administration, known for his exam-oriented approach and producing several toppers. His innovative methods and out-of-the-box thinking make him a favorite among students. Mr. Santhanam KLSM, he teaches history, art and culture and was one of only 3 Indians to receive the Uppsala IPK scholarship in 2012. Beyond the classroom, he is a martial artist and a national-level rifle shooter. Mr. Guna Madhivanan teaches current affairs and economics in our academy. He is a pianist-turned-teacher, heads the research and development team at Officers IAS Academy. Mr. Dharmarajan M. teaches Tamil optional. With over a decade of teaching experience, he has appeared in 8 UPSC mains and 2 interviews, consistently scoring high in Tamil literature optional. Mr. R. John Victor, teaching political science and international relations. He is not only a teacher but also a cricketer, martial artist, and heavy vehicle analyst.
Our geography faculty, Dr. Ravikumar, renowned for pulsive geography. He enjoys spending his time as a cricket referee, chess arbiter, and traveling enthusiast. With over 17 years of experience, he has qualified for the UPSC interview and cleared UGC NET multiple times. He has successfully guided numerous UPSC aspirants, producing many geography toppers over the years.
Mrs. Sneha Jain, Faculty of Social Issues, her hobbies include painting, and she is also interested in trekking and public speaking. She secured All India rank 45 in ICWA Inter in 2012. Mr. B. Devnath, who teaches post-independence history. In addition to teaching, he is a gifted theatre artist, violinist, vocalist, and musician, highlighting his diverse creative passions.
Our sociology faculty, he also serves as an advocate in a Supreme Court, but he is a passionate teacher with 12 years of experience coaching civil service aspirants.
Mrs. Geetharanjani, Aptitude and Reasoning faculty, she is also a vocalist. She has over 11 years of experience coaching civil service aspirants.
Our faculty Ms. Ramya teaches psychology. She is not only keen in teaching but she is also a researcher, a singer and a traveling enthusiast. She is a former assistant professor of psychology at Stella Maris College, Chennai, holds an MSc in HRD, psychology, from the University of Madras, where she earned a gold medal.
Our faculty, Ms. K. Monapriya. She teaches geography and disaster management. She is not only a teacher, she is also a singer, artist, certified communication expert. She is a talented public speaker and skilled writer, earned a gold medal in MSc Mathematics.
Ms. Vilasini Muruganand, Environment and Ecology faculty, alongside teaching, she is a passionate food blogger, accomplished public speaker, and dedicated NGO volunteer, reflecting her varied interests. She is a gold medalist in sociology and Sanskrit. A sought-after speaker and researcher, she has contributed to community development and NGOs like World Vision India. Mr. Balachandar DC, International Relations and Internal Security faculty. He is also a travel enthusiast. With 12 years of civil services coaching experience, he is a master strategist for prelims, having cleared 8 consecutive UPSC mains and 2 IFOS mains. Known for his passion, he simplifies UPSC preparation as a dedicated faculty and mentor.
Our faculty Ms. Niveditha, she teaches economics. She brings clarity and energy to every lesson. Outside the classroom, she balances life through yoga and marathon running. Her love for learning and wellness truly reflects holistic development.
Our faculty Ms. Sivanyana Selvi C. She teaches law optional and she is also a winner of Decathlon Run and have wide interest in long-distance cycling. Fanatical reader, art therapy. She currently pursuing her PhD in law at the University of Madras. She holds an LLM in business law from the National Law School of India University, Bangalore. A 3-time UGC NET qualifier with JRF. She has taught LLM students as a teaching-cum-research fellow and served as an assistant professor at Savitha School of Law.
Dr. Shiv Shankari, our esteemed law faculty and motivational speaker, combines expertise with inspiration. An adventurer at heart, she explores the world through travel, trekking, and wildlife photography. Her diverse interests, from modern art to philanthropy, reflect her commitment to enriching both her community and the world.